Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. So I made videos on Uthando Nesthembu, right? I did Uthando Nesthembu Uncut, and I also did the recent episodes of Uthando Nesthembu. The aim was just to share with my TikTok viewers or my TikTok friends to say this is the opinion that I had on the episodes. I am now sharing them with you. Please let me know what you think of the episodes that have played. And do you think Uguti Umseleku still has the power to keep this as tempo going? Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe as you enjoy my TikTok videos. Basalane guy, kiteng. No man, Mrs. Naps Utwa Ibian. Masaule was not number one. Masaule was number two. Okay? And in Masaule, the way you understand that thing is the one that recruited Utobile, Ugelwe's group, right? Umakumar. In a sense, she groomed her to be part of the family or something. But Masaule was for Tobile. However, she was not the first wife. The first wife initially was supposed to be Umayeni, who did not become first wife because Ubaba Mseleku was not allowed to marry her Estenjini because abazalwane, right? I don't know what changed or what, but or because they had a child together, that's why the family allowed her to get into polygamy. I don't know. But Umayeni was supposed to be number one. The family said no. Umacele wangena uMasaule, right? While the way I understand that I might be wrong. While uMasaule sangenile kwangena uMakhumalo as ugel osizayo, but low key umuntu kaMthombeni. Then lapho officially kwashadwa uMayeni while Tobile was hidden. And then uTobile wangena ke ulo umbali. I don't know. Mjeleni guys, I'm not 100% sure, but I think that's the order. But either way, she was going to be number one, even if Masaule was still alive.